Good morning, 10th class. Today we will do the rest of the questions of the chapter wave motion and the sound. Okay. So 31st question, sound waves are transversal? No. Longitudinal and mechanical? Yes. So B is the answer. The speed of the sound wave in a given medium is directly proportional to frequency, inversely proportional to frequency, directly proportional to the square of its frequency, or independent to the frequency. It's basically directly proportional to the frequency. Question number 33. Supersonic waves means frequency less than 20 Hz, same as ultrasonic, frequency much more than the ultrasonic, such as the infrasonic. So your answer for this is सेम एज द अल्ट्रासोनिक. बेटा इससे रिलेटेड ना नेक्स्ट वीक एक आपका टॉपिक करंट अफेयर्स में आएगा, वहाँ पे अल्ट्रासोनिक और सुपरसोनिक का एक डिफरेंस दिखेगा, बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है तो हम इसको बाद में देखेंगे. सो एक चीज़ आप यहाँ देख लो कि जो आपकी अल्ट्रासोनिक होती है इज़ यूज फॉर द अल्ट्रासाउंड वेव्स, और जिनकी फ्रिक्वेंसी मोर देन 20 किलो हर्ट्स होती है, मतलब 20,000 हर्ट्स से ज़्यादा होती है. whereas your supersonic is used for the objects which travel at a speed greater than the speed of the sound. so ये दो इनकी particular definitions हैं. 34th, the frequency of the wave is 5 hertz. It's referred to ultrasonic, obviously not. infrasonic it could be, माइक्रो और रेडियो. तो हमारे पास 3 ऑप्शन हैं. अल्ट्रासोनिक हमारा पहले ही चला गया है एलिमिनेशन से, सो आंसर इज इंफ्रासोनिक. वी हैव डन दिस. When a vibrating tunic fork is placed on a table, a large sound is heard. This is due to forced vibration, resonance, reflection, or the beats. So the answer here is your forced vibrations. A wave completes 24 cycles in 0.8 seconds. The frequencies, I hope you can do this. Options are here. Do it by yourself. 37th, the time period of the above wave should be same as like these two questions you will do by yourself. 38th is also a numerical. I am leaving this for you. 39th, frequency time relation. I am also leaving this for you. 40, a body produces sound only if it is made up of steel, plugged, made up of glass, or it's vibrating. So it should be vibrating. If a time period of a wave increases, its frequency will be, I am leaving this question for you because these two parts are interrelated. 42, a pulse is a wave. A pulse is a wave on which condition? Of high duration, of short duration, which travels in the vacuum, which travels in the solid. So it's of short duration. When we plug the wire of a sitar, the waves produced in the wire are longitudinal, transverse, sometime longitudinal, sometime transverse, और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक. सबसे पहली बात बेटा यहाँ देखो, ये इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वाला तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही क्रॉस है. आंसर इज योर ट्रांसवर्स. नेक्स्ट इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. When we plug the wire of the sitar, the waves produced in the air are, यहाँ था in the wire, यहाँ है in the air. अब वो साउंड वेव आपकी ट्रेवल करती है, सो इट विल बी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल. अ क्रेस्ट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ जीरो डिस्प्लेसमेंट, मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट, मिनिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट, नन ऑफ दीज. अ क्रेस्ट इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, इसका आंसर बी है. साउंड ट्रेवल फास्टेस्ट इन वाटर, एयर, मतलब लिक्विड, गैस का कंपैरिजन, स्टील सॉलिड, केरोसिन, ऑयल, एक और टाइप के आपके लिक्विड का कंपैरिजन. सो वी ऑल नो सॉलिड में सबसे फास्ट है तो स्टील. 2 पार्टिकल्स हैविंग द सेम फेज मस्ट बी एट 1 क्रस्ट 1 ट्रफ, 1 क्रस्ट एंड द मीन पोजीशन, 1 ट्रफ एंड द मीन पोजीशन, 2 consecutive crust having the same phase is your topic. So it's like 2 consecutive crust. If the frequency of the wave is doubled, its wavelength is, I am leaving this question for you. An anchored boat is rocked by a waves whose crests are 100 meters apart and velocity is this. How often do the crests reach the boat? So here your wavelength is given to you, time period is given to you, velocity is given to you, time period they asked you. I am leaving this for you. Now question number 50. Figure 7.3 shows that a shape of a part of a long string in which the transverse waves are produced. Which pair of the particles are in phase? A and G, D and G, B and E, C and K. बिल्कुल जनरल फेज का भी पता हो, पेयर पूछा है तो सेम पोजीशन पे होने चाहिए. A and G is your answer. Now 51. The waves in which the particles of medium travel in the same direction as that of waves are longitudinal waves. Velocity of sound is maximum in iron, water, mercury, air. It's iron, solid. Now question number 53. A vibrating body while playing a violin is wire, the box of the violin, both the wire and the box, only the air. It's both the wire and the box. The waves which propagate in metals are longitudinal, transverse, both, neither of them. Longitudinal, transverse, both, neither of them. It's both A and B. Velocity of sound is minimum in nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, air. They all are talking about the gases. These are all gases. The lowest in the carbon dioxide. The distance between two consecutive points in the same phase is called pitch, velocity, period, or wavelength. The distance between two consecutive points in the same phase is known as your wavelength. Sound takes some time to travel from one place to another. It will be maximum at what time of the day? Night, during summers, during winters, all the time it will be same. So your answer is during winters it will be maximum, the time duration. The periodic time of vibrating body is this much. Find the frequency. I am leaving this for you. The sound propagates in a gaseous medium by transverse, longitudinal, both A and B, or neither A and B. So your answer for this question is longitudinal only. If a wave of wavelength lambda is traveling in a medium with the velocity v, then frequency again repeated, do it by yourself. And this is also repeated, do it by yourself. 60 and 61. We are on 62. The motion of a simple pendulum is exactly harmonic, exactly rectilinear, approximately simple harmonic, none of these. तो हमने सिंपल पेंडुलम से रिलेटेड जो आपका एक मोशन किया था उसमें हमारे कौन सा मोशन आया था आंसर में? इट वॉज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली सिंपल हार्मोनिक. एग्जैक्टली नहीं कहेंगे, पीरियोडिक मोशन भी था तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. अ पार्टिकल इज मूविंग ऑन अ सर्कुलर ट्रैक विद द यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. इट्स मोशन इज पीरियोडिक एंड हार्मोनिक, पीरियोडिक बट नॉट सिंपल हार्मोनिक, डैम्ड और नन ऑफ द अबव. द आंसर हेयर इज द पीरियोडिक बट नॉट सिंपल हार्मोनिक, क्योंकि सर्कुलर ट्रैक है, सर्कुलेटरी मोशन है. द परसिस्टेंस ऑफ हियरिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज नॉट मोर देन. The persistent for hearing of human being is not more than 1/10 of the second. C is the answer. Vibration whose amplitude of oscillation decreased with time are called. They are called the damped vibrations. Waves produced due to earthquakes are seismic waves, shock waves, infrasonic, none of these. These are the seismic waves. The speed of electromagnetic wave in the air is basically 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer per second. Which of the following types of wave is different from the others? Light waves, radio waves, X-rays, sound waves. Sound waves is different. They all travel in a like transversal waves. Waves produced by supersonic jet planes are shock, infrasonic, seismic, or none of these. They are obviously your shock. They are shock waves. Their frequency is quite high. On the surface of a moon, a clock will run slow, run fast, remain stationary. Nothing can be decided from the information. It will run slow because of gravity only. The frequency of the second's pendulum is, it's 0.5 Hertz. Water waves are longitudinal, transversal, neither longitudinal nor transversal, both longitudinal and transversal. What is out of them? It's both longitudinal and transversal. The speed of the wave is this. What is the wavelength? I am leaving this for you. The SI unit of amplitude of oscillation is, what is the SI unit for the amplitude for oscillation is meters. Echo is produced due to reflection. The echo will be heard if the original sound reflected by an obstacle reaches our ear after how many seconds? It's basically after 0.1 second. An echo will be heard if the minimum distance between the source of the sound and the obstacle is your 17 meters. Sonar is based on the principle of echo, reverberation, resonance, any one of the above. It's basically echo. The audible range of the frequency is 20 to 20,000 hertz. So we are on the question number 80 now. Which of the following frequency of the sound cannot be heard by human beings? 5 hertz, because it's less than 20 hertz. Which one of the following frequency of a sound can't heard by human beings? Obviously 40,000 hertz, because it's more than 20,000. Velocity of a sound in the air is 330, 360, 380 or 400 meter per second. It's basically your 330 meter per second. The depth of the trough of a wave is called its amplitude, displacement, frequency, or none of these. It's obviously the amplitude. The height of the crest of the wave is called its amplitude, frequency, displacement, or your none of these. Obviously the amplitude. Same baat boli thi. So these were your normal questions. Tomorrow we will do the high order thinking skills question for your on your Monday class, right? So keep doing your question answers that I give you in the live class, and next week on Tuesday I'll give you some more questions of the next chapter. Thank you.